Welcome, today we're going to show you how to recover Jurassic World the game account. So the first thing you need to do is to see what accounts that you have connected to Jurassic World the game. So sometimes you have connected Facebook, sometimes you have connected Google Play, or sometimes you have connected everything. So if you logged in just a visitor account like a guest to just play or something, unfortunately this progress may not be saved unless you have saved your progress in your device. So if you have another device that you have logged in like your phone and played Jurassic World the game, you need to log in again in that device and connect your Facebook or Google account. So if you have done that, now you can save your progress. So depending on that, you can just now download the game on any other device and log in with Google or Facebook to fix this issue. So if you already have logged in to Google or Facebook and you didn't find your account and data, you need to connect to Jurassic World support. So I will show you how to do that exactly. So the first thing you need to do is to search for Jurassic World the game support. You will find Lydia support as see from here. You need to click on this website and now you need to find this issue: Android, I lost my account, or in iOS, I lost my account. You need to go with any question of this. So I will click on Android, and from here you need to follow these instructions as see from here to recover your account. So if nothing of this have helped you, you need to just scroll down from here and click on contact us. From here you can contact a customer support that can help you through getting back and recovering your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.